Hey guys! So one of the questions that I get asked a lot is what to pack for lunch, especially people who work a 9 to 5 who are trying to switch over to keto, low carb. They're not sure what to pack instead of sandwiches. So today I'm at the zoo and I wanted to share what I packed because I went ahead and packed my lunch because number one, I think the zoo food is terrible, and number two, I packed my lunch today because the zoo food is not only terrible, it's also very expensive. So $9 for a really crappy hamburger is not okay with me. And the third reason why I packed my lunch today is because no matter how much food I bring with me, I am starving at the zoo. I don't know if it's the heat or the walking or everything, but I'm always super hungry. So let me show you what I packed. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say this is like dirty keto. It's not super paleo, super clean. I'm okay with it, I'm cool with it. I normally do eat vegetables, but I just don't want to eat a salad right now at the zoo. I don't want to pack a salad. I don't want to eat a salad while I'm sitting here at the zoo, so this is what I packed. So this first thing, I don't know if you can see this, it's wrapped up. Let me unwrap it. So this first thing is a low carb, can you see that? This is a Joseph's pita. It's low carb and it has mayonnaise, deli turkey, pepperoni, cheese on it. So this is like my sandwich today. These little low carb pitas are so nice to have because you can make little low carb pizzas with them. You can chop them up and cook them in coconut oil and make little chips, or you can just fold them over and make yourself a little low carb sandwich. So that's my sandwich. And then I have these pork rinds for my snack. Then I have everything is wrapped up, it's all in plastic. Then I have these keto brownies, which you can't really see because they're wrapped up in plastic, but it's like a low carb keto brownie mix that I order off of Amazon. So I packed up 2 of those and brought those in case my son tried to steal it from me, because it would be my luck. I would bring 1 keto brownie and he would try to eat it. And then the last thing that I threw in there is this sweet and salty mix from Atkins brand. And I normally try to stay away. I normally try to stay away from this Atkins stuff. I just think there's better options, but if you're out and about and you need something that doesn't need a ton of refrigeration, that is a good low carb option. And then I have a bottle of water, and then I also brought an extra thing of ketones. So this is my caffeine-free key lime that I am hoarding. People ask me sometimes if I drink 1 or 2 a day. I normally drink 1. Days like today, I will definitely add another one after this because this will help curb my appetite and give me extra energy for the rest of the day, for the rest of the afternoon. And it will probably end up saving me money because I'm not gonna be wanting all the treats that are here that are super overpriced. So I threw this in my bag just in case I'm still hungry after I eat all of this food, depending on how long we stay here. So anyway, hope this helps. Thank you. Thanks guys.